Today, I'm sharing a recipe that's all about flavor, chicken wings like you've never tasted before. We'll be using an air fryer and a special ingredient, a fragrant spice paste that takes these wings to the next level. Juicy, savory, and bursting with taste, you're going to love this one. Let's get started. The ingredients are listed on the screen. After mixing all the ingredients together, store it in the refrigerator at least 2 hours for the best result. When ready, cook the wings in your air fryer for 20 minutes in 400 degrees temperature, flipping them halfway through. You can enjoy these amazing chicken wings on their own or with some rice. As I tend to use little sodium in my cooking, you can add additional soy sauce to your liking.